Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating another coffee table made out of a tire. I'll first start off by breaking some glass, and I'll be breaking this Walmart mirror that I got from Walmart. So if you are superstitious, this is not the DIY for you. And I'll be using my hammer to break the glass, and I did put a sheet over the glass to make sure that the glass didn't fly. For this body mirror is optional. All you need is broken mirror for this project. Next, I'll be taking this tire and cleaning it with this detergent and awesome spray and making sure all the dirt's gone. Next, I'll be taking this liquid nail and going around the tire because I pre-cut a piece of cardboard that I will be putting on top. And honestly, y'all, I don't know if I like liquid nail like that. I think I like the Gorilla glue better. It's more expensive, but it dries quicker in my opinion. So I added my hot glue, and then I put on this circle piece of cardboard. And if you like, you can double the cardboard up to make it more sturdy, or you can get a wooden circle top. But by the way, this table is sturdy and it's holding up very well. Next, I'm going to start adding the broken pieces of mirror on top of the tabletop. So I had to remove pieces of cardboard from the mirror, which took extra long. But let me tell you what I found out, what I discovered after this project was almost done. I left a piece of mirror with cardboard on top of a rag, a wet rag, and it peeled right off. So if you do want to use the body mirror, I would say put water on the back of the mirror, or like put a wet towel on the back, and it will literally peel off from the mirror. And I'm so mad I learned that at the last minute, but I'm definitely going to use that tip again. And as you can see, I am using a combination of small mirrors and big mirrors. And now I am gluing them down using my hot glue gun. Next, I'm going to start adding the pieces of mirror on the side of the tire. Oh yeah, and y'all, please, if you decide to do this project, please use gloves. Don't be like me. I just do crazy stuff for some reason. But don't be like me. Please use some gloves. Also, as I am gluing these pieces of mirror on the side, I am trying to make sure they're not too huge because I do have to turn this tire around and some of the pieces will come off, especially if they're not laying flat on the tire. Next, I took the long pieces and I put them towards the top of the table so I could get rid of that gap in between. And I just filled in spaces that I forgot about earlier. And this is how the tire looked with all the pieces on there. Next, I got a bag of sanded grout from Home Depot, and I'm going to be pouring that into this bucket and adding water. And They also sell pre-mixed grout already in these containers at Home Depot. Now I'm just mixing the grout, and I'm going to be pouring this on the top of the table. So this table has to be done in sections, so I'm going to start off with the top and then I'm going to go to the sides after the top is completed. And I am using this scraper to make sure I get in between every crack. This project reminded me of putting icing on the cake. And I am making sure I'm getting the edges as well. I let the top dry for an hour before I flipped it on its side, and after that I started to cover it in sections. This did take a minute because, like I said, I had to make sure that each side was semi-dry before flipping it around. And I am just covering the sides like I did the top and making sure that I'm getting the edges as well. Afterwards, I made sure the table was semi-dry before I started to scrub the grout off of the mirrors. And I am using a bucket of water, this sponge with the scrubber on it, and a rag. So for the next minute of this video, it will just be me cleaning the grout off of the mirrors. Some people may find this time consuming, but I find it very soothing. Like, it was definitely a peaceful project. And after I was done with the top, I did the same to the sides. After I got majority of the grout off, I just let it dry completely, and then I went back in with my soap and glass cleaner and I wiped them dry. And this is how the table looked when I was done. As you can see, I added some cushions, and shout out to my cousin and his girlfriend for their cameo. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, glitter babes, and stay blessed.